Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to have you here. And I'm also happy because I have summer sewing plans. I planned my sewing calendar. I know what I'm gonna sew this summer. You guys, I know I'm not the only one that has issue planning out what I want to sew, and then somehow you don't end up sticking to those plans. Well, I am determined this summer to stick to my sewing plans. And today I'm going to share with you what those plans are. Now, before I did a video on my fabric haul, and if you have not seen that video, you can go ahead and watch it. I'll put the link below so you can watch that video of my fabric haul. And also in that video, I also have links to where you can find those fabric, what website you can find those fabrics on. And then once you're done with that video, you can come back to this video and watch what my plans are for those fabrics. All right, you guys, let's get into this sewing plan. One of my first things that I want to create is a dress, a really cute knit dress. You know, it's nothing cooler and nicer during the summer than a nice knit dress, something with some flow to it. So when McCall's came out with their knit Maxi, this is McCall's 8215, I was like, that's the dress. But I love the dress and I love the flow of it, but I said to myself, but as much as I love the dress, I feel like I need it to be a little bit more exciting. So I decided that for this dress, I want to use this fabric. This fabric is fun and exciting, and it just gives the dress a little bit of oomph, you know what I mean? And I mean, nothing wrong with it in a solid color, but your girl needed some prints, some colors. So I'm using this gorgeous knit from Melanated Fabric to make this dress. This is a geometric double brush knit in a turquoise. And I just think like these colors will really pull this dress together and gives it some excitement. All right, that's what I'm making first. That's one of my first things I'm making. Everything else is not in the order of how I'll be making it, but I knew I wanted to make that first. Next up, I saw this maxi skirt pattern and I was like, yes. However, I didn't buy enough fabric to make the maxi, but I did get enough fabric to make it into the knee length. So I'm going to be sewing view A because I'm 5'3". View A usually gets me right at the knee, whereas view B usually is a bit long on me. Because you know a lot of times these patterns are made for a 5'7" person, and I'm 5'3". So usually if I make them, I usually have to take off about 3 inches so it'll fit me like it's supposed to fit. So with view A, I don't have to take anything off because I know it's going to fit my 5'3" frame. And the fabric I'm using is this fabric right here. I just thought this is just beautiful. I love this fabric, the colors, and I just think it's perfect for the summer. Even if whether you're going on vacation or you're doing a staycation, you know, nothing feels nicer and vibrant than like a nice, beautiful colored skirt. So I thought this would make a really cute skirt. Now I don't have the three or 4 yards. Actually, this takes about 4 yards, this fabric, to make the maxi. Let me see. Yeah, it takes about 3 yards to make this maxi. And so I have about 2 yards of this fabric, so it'll be perfect for view A. Next up, I'm going to use this because I want to make this t-shirt to wear with this. I thought it'd be really pretty, and it will pull out the yellow in this fabric right here. So I am using this gorgeous jersey knit in yellow, and I'm going to make the Conquer tee by Chambray. I made that pattern before, and I really love it. I love the fit of it and the ease of making it. And so I just want a cute t-shirt to wear with this, or I can pair a pair of jeans, what have you. I just want to make sure I can wear it with whatever I want. I could dress it up or dress it down. So I thought it'd be a nice color addition to this fabric over here. Then I have this right here. I was going to use this to make a skirt initially, I thought, okay, to make a really cute skirt and, you know, use a knit fabric similar to make a cute top to go with it. But then when I saw this pattern, I decided against it. So I'm going to be making McCall's 8197 in view C. I thought this fabric was just so beautiful, and it just has this calming, ethereal look to it, and I just really love it. So I thought it would really give this dress a really beautiful, sweet look. And so that is what I'm going to be making with this fabric. And then for this fabric right here, this knit fabric, at first I was gonna make a top out of it, and then I thought, wouldn't it be cute to make a summer cardigan? So I'm gonna use this and I'm gonna make a summer cardigan because the fabric is so lightweight and it's very airy. So, you know, if you're inside of a building or if you're outside, it's not very warm, you can put it over your dress. And I thought, how cute would it be, you know, to make this, because I'm thinking I'm gonna make view C, or I'm gonna make view A and then add the ruffles on view C to this. I'm still deciding. Y'all know I love to hack a pattern, but I might just play with these two views together and then wear this over it as a cardigan, a cute little summer cardigan. I thought that these two would pair well together. So that's what I'm making for that fabric. And then this is the cotton blue chambray from Melanated Fabric. I really love this, and at first I thought about making pants, and I said no, I already have a denim, a chambray pants in my closet, and I thought about making a dress, and I was like no. So then I saw this McCall's pattern right here, and this is from their spring, pattern. This is a cute skirt, and I thought, how adorable is it? And what I love is the zip in the front. So I'm still deciding whether to make the front zippered skirt or view B. I don't know yet, you guys, but I will decide, and you will see it once I post it on my Instagram. But I'm going to make this pattern out of it, and then I am also going to make a top to go with it because this is more than enough fabric. This is more than enough fabric to make this skirt and a top. And so to make a top to go with it, I'm gonna hack another pattern. So this is the McCall's 8203. I am going to take this bodice on view A. And on view A, I love the ruffles around the neckline and I love the sleeves. So what I think I'm gonna do is I am going to use the bodice area to make a top out of this fabric to go with this skirt. What do you guys think? I think that'll be really cute. Make this skirt and then make a cute top out of this to go with it. I just think it's so adorable. But for the top, what I think I'm gonna do, because it's meant to kind of be fitted a little bit, I think I'm gonna expand it out just a little bit, and then I'm going to add some elastic around the waist area just to give it a different look, you know. So there's going to be a bit of a modification because I'm going to have to, you know, slice it up here, expand it out, and then add the elastic to it. But I think it'd be well worth it because it'd be a top that I can wear with anything. So that is what I'm creating with this chambray right here from Melanated. Next up is an oldie but a goodie. I've made this pattern before. I made a really cute dress with this pattern some years ago, and which is a good thing because that means I don't have to cut this pattern. But I'm going to make view A, and I'm going to use this fabric right here. This is the Faces pattern from my fabric haul that I found in my stash after I did my sewing room tour. I love this fabric, you guys. It is just so cool to me. So what I'm going to do for this pattern, if you see on this pattern right here, it has a sheer contrast at the top area above the bust as well as the sleeve. So what I'm going to do is I'm either going to get a white or black stretch mesh to create this at the top and then use this for the rest of the dress. I'm still thinking about the design idea, but I think it'd be really cool. And then right here, if you can look and see, it has like a cool design here at the bottom to separate it. I think I'm going to add a trim to that, something really cool to give a contrast. I might add a colorful trim. I'm still deciding. But that is what I'm going to make with this fabric right here. I think it'd be really cute, and especially it's good enough to make the belt as well. But I'm excited. I haven't made this pattern in quite some time. It's one of my favorite patterns. Okay, so that's it for this. Next up is this McCall's 8146. This is from spring. When I saw this, I was like, yes, 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 yes. I love this top so much. But for this summer, I'm going to make view A, the short sleeve version. And I'm going to use this African print, this white teal African print fabric to make it. You know, I thought it'd be cute to give it a little pizzazz, give it a little color, a little boom bah. But yes, I thought this would be really cute to make it with. Look, I will tell you something. I've already know what I'm going to make with these fabric, but hey, as time goes by, I may change. I'm not going to change the fabric, but I might change what I make with it. I'm just putting that that disclaimer in there. Y'all know how it is. But yes, at least for now, this is what I plan on using this fabric for. I thought it would be really, really cute. And if I don't use this fabric for this top, because I'm going to make this top, then I might just use this fabric to make a cute button-up shirt. I'm still deciding, but as of right now, this is what I'm making. All right, you guys. Then, I thought this was so cute. I saw this right here. Isn't this the cutest little pattern? Oh my gosh. I love View A so much. It's giving me 80s vibes, you guys. 80s vibes. I love it. So I'm going to be making View A, of course. And I'm going to be using this gorgeous blue crepe fabric, this rayon crepe fabric from Melanated. I just love the colors, and y'all see it's got blue in it. Y'all know how I feel about blue. Come on. But yes, I thought it was really pretty. And so again, there's more than enough fabric to make this top and make something else. So I thought, I can make this top with it, and then probably make some really cute loose fitting summer shorts, you know, just elastic waist shorts. I'm probably going to put elastic in the back and have a straight waistline in the front. Because, you know, if you're going to make a crop top, I don't really like seeing elastic on my pants if I'm wearing a crop top. So I'll probably put the straight waistband in the front and then do the elastic in the back. I'm still deciding, but yeah, I thought it'd be cute to make a whole shorts and top set out of it. I may not even use a pattern because I've made quite a few shorts, just DIY quick shorts, and I have a pattern that I actually created years ago that I use for that. So that is what I'm making with this and this gorgeous pattern fabric right here. All right, what's next? Katie Cortman's fabric. So in my last video, I showed this fabric. It's from Katie Cortman's Lush and Wild line of fabrics that I really love. So I got more than enough. I got this one, and I also got this one right here in a lawn. It's really, really pretty. Look at it. In a gauze, I'm sorry, in a cotton gauze. So what I've decided is that this is a bit more structured. It's 100% cotton. Either I'll make this dress right here and use both of these. So if I do this dress, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this one, the smaller print cotton, for the bodice, and then probably use the other for like this area of the dress right here, the third tier. Well, yeah, the third tier of this, well, the second tier of the skirt. And then use the cotton gauze for the rest of the skirt. If I do this dress with it, that's what I'm going to do. If I don't do this dress with it, what I'm thinking about doing is hacking this pattern View B right here. I think it's really cute, and I want to make a top out of it, but also want to hack it and turn it into a dress. So I'm thinking of using this top right here and making it out of the cotton version of her fabric, and then using this part and make it into a dress, and using this because it's flowy. The gauze is a bit more flowy, so of course I'm going to use it for the skirt portion. So use that to make the skirt portion. So we'll see how it works out. So either I hack this to make a dress, or I make this dress with that fabric. We shall see, you guys. If you're following me on Instagram, keep an eye out on my IGTV, because I will be doing weekly sewing plans to show what fabric I'm using with what pattern each week, so you guys see what I'm working on. And then of course in my stories, I will be going through the sewing process. Now, oh, that's it. That's it, you guys. I guess I've gone through all the fabric. But you guys, that is my sewing plan for this summer. Of course, once I'm done with these, there'll be more sewing and more fabric. But for now, this is what I have, and this is what I'm going to use. But you guys, thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope that you liked this video. If so, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, you guys. It will be plenty more coming your way, even some DIYs that I've been working on. You know, I actually went to the thrift store last year, and I bought some cute stuff, and I finally found the bag as I was cleaning out my sewing space. And I was like, oh my gosh, all these gems in here. So I'm probably gonna do some hacks and stuff with those cute thrift store haul that I got. And I will be doing a haul on that, my thrift store pickups. So look out for that. That will be coming up soon. Also, I will be doing a video on my baby lock Presto 2, and on my baby lock Vibrant Serger. So look out for those, you guys, and subscribe, because there's more content coming your way. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Smile, be happy, think positively, and keep sewing. Happy sewing, you guys. Bye.